Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you 3 tricks to make your MSI Stealth faster. First one is to go to the settings, then go to system, power and battery, and now first turn off the energy saver if it's on, and then I recommend putting the power mode on when plugged in to best performance, then plug in your laptop to the charger. You can also set it for when on battery, but first of all it'll use more battery. Second of all, even if it's set for best performance in battery, it'll have worse performance than when it's plugged in. So if you want to make your laptop faster, then plug it in, and for when plugged in, best performance. And this is my first tip. The second one is closing the apps that you don't use at the moment. I'm gonna explain why. As I open my Microsoft Edge and then open multiple tabs here, you can see I can open many of them. They are all loading and all of that. You can see I often use so much tabs because I like having all of that opened. I think they are not even loading correctly now, but as I right click on the taskbar and go to Task Manager, you can see that it uses lots of my memory. And if I go to Performance, you can see the memory graph. Now I have 8 gigabytes used of my memory, and if I close the Microsoft Edge fully, you can see how the usage drops. So this is pretty important. If you're, for example, playing a game, then probably close your Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome or any other browser, because you can see how much memory does it use, and also used a lot of CPU. And everything was used, honestly. Just it uses a lot if you have some apps in background. While we are in the Task Manager, which if you haven't gotten to, right click on the taskbar and go to Task Manager, we can go to the Startup Apps here, and this is gonna be the third thing that you may want to do to just speed up your laptop. So here are gonna be some startup apps that are automatically enabled on startup of your laptop. Of course, only if the status here is enabled. And then there's gonna be Startup Impact. I haven't been using this laptop for too long, so it's not measured for most of them. But some of these things are gonna have a high startup impact. So I recommend turning off some things that are not important, like the Microsoft themes. I'm gonna also disable the Microsoft Edge. I wouldn't disable the OneDrive because I want that to enable itself automatically when I turn on the laptop, because I want to have my backup done. But for other things, it's worth considering to disable them, especially if it's something like Steam, Discord, or Spotify, which you don't use of course, you may use it often, and you may use it every time. So if you do, you don't have to turn it off. But if it's something that you don't use on every usage of your laptop, then you may want to turn it off. Also, if you have a torrent app, it also turns on itself and uses some network all the time. So you may want to disable these, because they not only make your laptop turn on longer, but also they are turned on all the time as you use your laptop, because they turn on themselves at the beginning and you don't even know about it. So it's best to have the unimportant apps off. If there's something about security or something that the name of you don't understand, I wouldn't disable it, because it may be important. But for example, I'm gonna also disable the mobile devices because I don't connect my phone to the laptop. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.